Hello everyone, welcome back to day 7 of our editing series. Hope you are enjoying this series. Let me know in the comment section if you are enjoying it. So today we are going to talk about how to use filter to enhance our look, our face. If you have pimples like me, you need to, at least, it doesn't matter. Even YouTube allows us beautifying our face, so there's nothing wrong in that. It's just for you, it's just for your video to be able to attract. So that is why you need to enhance your look. It doesn't mean you are adding something that is supposed to add. So it is allowed for us to make ourselves. You know how people beautify the picture, they enhance the picture. It's the same thing. So today, that is what we are going to talk about. Filter can change a lot of things. It can change the mood, the style, overall feel of your content. Just a click. Maybe the way the thing is just beautiful. That is why people will just click on your own video. So it doesn't matter. So whether you want your own footage to feel warmy, cozy, cool, modern, vibrant, lively, filter are just a good tools to use. So today, that is what we are going to do. So what we are going to do is, let's jump right into my phone without wasting much of our time at all. Today we go. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So here we are in our phone, and then you can see here is the phone. You know how to bring yourself inside the phone, so we don't need to start from CapCut, do this. No, you know that. So that's why I start immediately. Okay, you are my students, you know it. So we are here already. So what we are going to do, you can see this video. You can see that it's very dull. If somebody posts this type of video, even you too, you will not want to watch it at all. You would not want to watch it. So what you are going to do is, you are going to retouch. We are going to retouch our face on this video. So first of all, to retouch, so you retouch the video. You tap on the video. You go and look for retouch. It's very important. It's down here. Retouch. There are some you are retouching only the face. You tap on it. There are some that are free. There are some that are pro. Okay, we are only basing it on only the free one. So once you tap on it, you tap, see there is smooth here. Tap on the smooth, then drag the smooth. Okay, drag the smooth. Like me, I normally drag the smooth to almost 90 something or 100% if possible. Okay, though the skin tone, you cannot use it because it is paid, as you can see, so we can't use it. So we'll go for another free one again. Okay, so we go to another free one again, which is teeth whitening. Sometimes I whiten my teeth, so I had that is how I add beauty to my face. Okay, so what next am I going to do? You're going to click on apply to all. Even if you have not cut any clips, you should still click on apply to all to be on saver side. Okay, so press on OK. Once you have done that, the next thing we are going to do is we go and look for adjust. So let's keep scrolling, see, you can see adjust here. Tap on it. Okay, once you tap on that adjust, I would like you to do it manually. Don't come to filter and choose from filter. It might not be what you really want. Okay, you can see if I tap on, let me assume I tap on this, you can see filter. It's not what I really want. Some people will say use this. It's not what this one is automatic. You don't need to do any adjusting in it. You have to, but me, I don't like all this one. So I prefer to do it from scratch by myself, what I want. So I'm going to remove all this. Okay, I'm going to remove all the filter that is there. I'm going to take it back to original. Yeah, so we are in original. If you want to take it, instead of going one by one, just come and tap here. If you take you back to the original, then you tap on plus. So what we are going to do is you click on the adjust again, and then this is where we are going to use. One thing you should know when you are using filter, the filter that I'm going to set for this video, whether it's going to be +3, +4, +5, is not going to suit your own. make sure you use filter that suits what you are editing, that video that you are editing as at that time. Because sometimes you might record outside, and if you record outside, you know you will need less lighting on all those ones because you have natural light already. But if you record inside, is another type of filter that you're going to add. That's what I'm saying. My own filter will not work for you. So once you want to put filter, it is you that you should adjust it to what will suit that video that you are recording as at that time. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, go to Brilliant. I want to brighten the video. You can see, can't you see the difference? See from here to here, the video will bright. That is how you can add brightness to your video by yourself. If there is place is dark, you can see this place is a little bit dark, then you can add contrast. It's not every time I use contrast, so you can just add minus or plus. It depends on you. So in this time around, I'm going to put plus. Just choose, look for the specific number that suits. Then saturate, add saturate. I normally add saturate make the color to come out. Okay, so what's next? Brilliance. You can add brilliance also, a little bit of it. You can sharpen your video. If it is too dull, you can sharpen it. Okay, clarity as well, you can do clarity. You can see that it's making it to clear more. It's making my face to even show more. Okay, so this HSL, okay, this HSL is going to pick a particular color that you are choosing. If you want to choose, well, you look at all the colors in that video, which color that is there. I can see purple, then I will come to purple here, so that I can add more purple to that purple. You see that purple is changing. If you want it more, you can take it down. So you see that color purple is changing. So you should know which of the color of the purple that you want. You can have saturate. If you add that saturate, if I take it on like this, it will be more. If I take it down, it will change color to black. That is how you see some people that are having, they are wearing the same color, but they can change the color to different colors. So this is where they do it also. So we are still going to do video on that, how to change one color to different colors. So you can see, so that is minus, don't need. So we are working on plus so that the color can be much. The lightness, how do you want it to bright? Okay, so I don't really need it much. So that is how to do it. Choose that color that you are seeing, this brown for my head. I can choose it to make that head look more beautiful. Okay, you check whether it's working. So you can see that it is working for that my head tie. Okay, then the red face, the red is normally is only work for face, for my face. So you can choose it also. Then it's okay, it's finished. So you can click on apply all. Okay, so you can see how this is so beautiful. So that is how you can add filter to your video. Okay, look for the one that fits you, that you want, and then okay, that is how easy it is to add filter to it. So choose what you really want to do. If you have, maybe you have 3 or 4 clips, then you can just click on apply to all. Okay, let's assuming I finished this one now, and now remember, there is one clip that I forgot. I can still bring it. Let me go and click on it now. I click in the, let me bring another clip. Let me assume I bring this clip, and I want to apply the same filter. What I will just do is I'll just go to adjust and click on apply to all on it. So it will applied, just because this one has filter already. That is why it's like that. Let me change it to another one. So let me change it to another video. Delete. So I want to add another video, and I want to adjust. I want to put the same filter to it, just for the purpose of the training. Let me say I add this one now. You see, this one does not have filter, as you can see, does not have anything. It's just a new. So I'll just tap on this video. I'll just tap on this video. I will just go to adjust down here. Then I will just choose apply to all clips. It will apply to all clips. If you go back, you will see that the filter has been applied. The filter that I used in that one has been applied to it. So that is how it works. Okay, so it's so easy like that. And then you continue all the other type of editing that we are still going to get to after. Just check whether everything is fine, and then you can just play around with it, increase it, decrease it. It's you that you know which one that fits the video that you are recording as at that time. So filter often makes you to look even better, very well. It will make your video to be sharp, people will just like, I love the filter that this person is using. So that is it for today, day 7. This is how we use filter to enhance our video. As you can see, any video I do, I put filter on my face as well. So filter, it looks fantastic. It makes the mode of the video to just change. So with CapCut, easy, free, and it is good to find a perfect look for your footage. So again, the challenge for today: take one of your video and apply filter, customize it manually by yourself. As I said, don't use the preset one. Okay, then share it and tag me in the comment section. Okay, my name remains Ganny, and this is Grow With Ganny. Till I will see you. Thank you for watching, and then I will see you in my next video, day 8. Bye.